Hi everyone, my name is Tarry and I'm going to be giving you a tour of our McIntyre House campus here at University College, Birmingham. We are right in the heart of Birmingham's famous jewellery quarter here on Holland Street, just a few minutes walk away from our other campus buildings as well as the city centre. Like our other campuses, we have secure entry here with a swipe card, so I'll take you through the barriers and show you around. This is the foyer area inside McIntyre House. It's a modern, open space where we often have events and employability fairs. Plus, there's room to just sit down and have a chat with your friends. There are 4 floors inside this building, each of which is accessible via the stairs here or by the lifts over there. Before I show you anywhere else, let's have a look at what else is available here on the ground floor. This area is called ThinkSpace. As you can see, it's a pretty big area, really bright and open, and it's the perfect place to come if you want somewhere to study on campus. As you can see, there's loads of space to study, and it includes computers, printers, photocopiers, plus over there we have our laptop lockers, giving students access to laptops on loan. There's also a help desk just inside the entrance if you need any support. But this is just the half of it. Come with me. ThinkSpace also has a number of these glazed pods. I'm really loving the nature theme going on with these. This is a great place to come if you want a quieter or more private place to do study or group work. Up here we have another seating area. It gives you somewhere else to just chill out or catch up with your friends. So that's the study area. What about when you're feeling a little bit hungry? On the other side of the ground floor we have EatSpace. This is our cafe here at McIntyre House. As you can see, we've got a variety of hot and cold food and drink available throughout the day, as well as sandwiches, snacks, smoothies, salads, wraps. You can also get a selection of meals. There's a different menu every day. And if you're a coffee lover, we've got a Starbucks here too. And if you'd rather grab some fresh air, we've got an outdoor courtyard here too. Right, that's break over. Time to get back to class. And whether you're in Moss House or McIntyre House, you've got no excuse to be late. McIntyre House has a mixture of teaching spaces. This is one of our teaching rooms where you might have your seminars or tutorials in smaller groups. Whilst over here, we've got smaller rooms which are perfect for your one-to-ones with your lecturers or just quiet study. Away from the teaching rooms, we have breakout areas spread out across the first floor. This is a nice bright area with a balcony overlooking the entrance and plenty of seating dotted around. The second floor upstairs is laid out in a similar way, so you've got plenty of space to get together with friends, do quiet study, or just simply sit back and relax. If you're a postgraduate student, then this is something just for you. This is the Edward Pargeter suite on the first floor. It's a dedicated space exclusively for our postgraduate students. As you can see, we've got lots of computers here. You've also got additional study spaces spread out here, so it's the perfect environment for sitting down, doing your academic research and assignments, or just meeting up with students and staff. This is our main flagship lecture theatre here at McIntyre House, called the Carroll Lecture Theatre. It's located on the second floor and it's the biggest one in the building with 250 seats. It's used for teaching larger groups of students. It's also used for conferences and events that we have here on campus. It's modern, comfortable, and like our other lecture theatres, it's equipped with the latest technology to give you the best possible learning experience. Next door to our main lecture theatre, we have this computer room. There are plenty of machines here. All of our computers have access to Microsoft Office, emails, the internet, as well as OneDrive and printing services. Now, if I could just remember my password. Now, this is something special here at McIntyre House, our financial trading suite. It's actually one of the biggest university trading suites in the UK and a fantastic facility for students on our business, accounting and finance courses. Just look at this. You've got the scrolling ticker across the top showing live, real-time market information from around the world. You've also got 2 huge screens on the wall and a projector at the front. There's also loads of workstations around, all of which are running the latest in-front professional terminal software. Everything you need to get to grips with stocks and shares. Now that's what I call a sound investment. Like the other floors downstairs, there's plenty more space up here on the 3rd floor with seating and tables. There's lots of natural light coming in through the roof here, so it's a really bright and airy space for you to just sit down and chat with your mates. If you really want to get out in the open though, come with me. Check this out, our very own rooftop garden. This is a great place to come to when you want to be outside in the sunshine, but away from the bustle down on the streets. We've got our planted areas here, benches, seats, and check out this view. You've got the BT Tower over there, St Paul's Church over there, the Birmingham Library over there, and it's a great place to give you a unique perspective of the famous Jewellery Quarter. Now, this is a great spot to end our tour, so I think I'm going to sit back and relax. We're all aware things are a bit strange right now. Your health and safety is our top priority, and we're following all the latest government guidelines and advice to look after your welfare. Around the campus you'll see signage showing social distancing measures, as well as one-way systems and other guidance. Plus, we've implemented a range of further measures to keep you safe while you're studying with us. So that's it from me. I'm going to grab a coffee. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming round with me on this tour of McIntyre House campus. We hope to welcome you here again very soon.